Have you noticed the option to add thumbnails to your LinkedIn videos? Have you been wondering how exactly they should look and how to create them? If so, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I designed my LinkedIn video thumbnails step by step. I'm Vendy and I'm all about helping coaches and course creators attract the highest quality inbound leads on LinkedIn without the need for cold selling. Now, if you're thinking about using LinkedIn in your marketing this year, be sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I release a new video. If you are here, I am assuming that you have a video that you would like to upload on LinkedIn, and you're wondering if you should attach a thumbnail to it, and if so, how exactly it should look. Before we dive in, we should probably clarify what a thumbnail is in the first place. And very simply put, it's a still image that will appear at the beginning of your video before it starts auto-playing on LinkedIn. The idea is to create a thumbnail that is so compelling that people stop scrolling through their newsfeed and are interested in watching your video. Having an eye-catching thumbnail is just one of the secrets of a successful LinkedIn video. Now, if you missed the previous episode where I showed you how I edit my LinkedIn videos for maximum engagement, you definitely want to check it out, and I will link that in the cards above. Now, back to thumbnails. Another reason why you definitely want to create your own thumbnail is because that is what's going to appear when you share your video on social, in the DMs, through emails, or really place it anywhere online. If you don't upload your own thumbnail, LinkedIn is going to take a screenshot of your video automatically and just use that as a thumbnail instead. Now, chances are that this is not going to be too flattering because it's probably going to be like a crazy facial expression whilst you're talking. Maybe your eye's going to be closed, or God knows what's going to be happening in that thumbnail snapshot. So I highly encourage you to create your own thumbnail rather than allowing LinkedIn to just take a random snapshot, because again, it's probably not going to be too flattering. So what I want you to do right now is pause this video, grab my Canva affiliate link below if you want to support me, and then come back to me once you have Canva open. Okay, so let's do this together. Now, the first thing you're going to do is click Create Design in the upper right, and then select Custom Size. Now, over here, you want to enter the exact dimensions of your LinkedIn video. Now, if you don't know what those are, simply go back to your video, and mine is over here, and then you want to click Get Info on the Mac, or if you have Windows, you're probably going to see a similar option in the drop-down. Now, if I click Get Info, you're going to see over here the dimensions are these ones. So I'm just going to copy them across, and then I'm going to go back to Canva, and I'm going to enter them in. So here we go. I'm clicking New Design. So the next thing I always do is go back to my video, and I open it up. And what I actually want to do is take a screenshot of this video. So I'm going to try to find where I look somewhat less crazy. So kind of crazy, but I can roll with it. I can roll with it. So I'll take a screenshot of this, and I'll see if we have other kind of quick options where I'm not moving as much. I mean, my facial expressions sometimes are pretty crazy. Okay, so I'll just stick with what I've got, okay? So I'm going to close this, I'm going to take that screenshot, I'm going to drag it in over here, okay? So let's just roll with it. So here we go. This is my step one. Then what I want to do is basically add some elements on top of it, right? So for example, because I'm talking about recording a cover story, I could say video camera, and I might go to graphics over here. I'm going to select, over here actually I'm going to select static images only, and I might use this camera over here. And then I'm going to change the colors over here, and I'm going to use the photo colors over here that are automatically getting pulled. So I'm going to do this and change the colors over here. And then, yeah, this is just what I might have over there. So I'm going to have that and add something else. And I could probably add LinkedIn logo because I'm talking about LinkedIn. So let's just maybe use this one. And I'm gonna rotate that a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it up there. So typically, I keep my thumbnails nice and, easy. I just used the actual screenshot in the background. Then I'm gonna add some graphics on top. And then you might wanna change the text underneath here, because obviously we just took a random screenshot in the middle of the video. So the first thing you wanna do is find lines and shapes. Click on there, and we're gonna drag it down, and I'm gonna put it on top, and then change the color to be the same. So here we go. I'm masking that text now. And then I can go click on text and create my own text on top of that. So I can say, record your cover story right now. And obviously I need to use a different font because this is a bit light. So we could just use this one because that's the most recent one I have over there. And I'm gonna take that, recenter it, and we could change the color as well to be maybe pink, maybe blue. I'll go for pink. And yeah, this is pretty much it. We create our thumbnails super quickly. Then what we do next is go click download, select PNG, and then I'm just gonna click download over here, yeah? It's just gonna take a couple of seconds to download. I'm gonna let it do that. Perfect. Now the next step for us is to go to your LinkedIn profile over here, click video. Then first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna select the actual video that you want to upload over here. Perfect. And then over here you're gonna select thumbnail. And that is going to be the thumbnail that we just created together. You see? Over here. So now this is going to be the very first frame that people are going to see when they scroll through their feed. And this is going to be the frame that people are going to see when you share your video off LinkedIn. So this is awesome. So then just click done. And now it's time to actually add your actual copy over here. All right. So let me just hop back to the main screen now. There you have it. That is how you create thumbnails for your LinkedIn videos. Now, if you're ready to step up your game on LinkedIn, and if you want your content to actually result in clients, then be sure you message me on LinkedIn and ask me about the LinkedIn Bootcamp. I would absolutely love to help you. If you are a business owner, be sure you also grab my quick start guide to LinkedIn below this video, where I explain how I signed up my first 10K client on LinkedIn. Now, you also might want to check out this video next on how to edit your LinkedIn videos for maximum engagement. I would truly appreciate if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me grow on YouTube. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll catch you in the next video.